What's up guys, it's Oin here from the Tech Infos back with another video. So today guys we're going to look into the boAt BassHeads 900 which I purchased from Amazon for around 799 rupees, and as always guys the best buy link will be in the description down below if and only if it's worth purchasing. Now if you follow our channel you already know that we have extensively covered boAt line of products, but unfortunately we still don't get any sort of review unit from the company boAt. So please do subscribe to our channel and like this video so that we can reach a place where companies like boAt send us review unit. After all, it's very difficult to purchase products and then review it guys. Anyways, jokes apart, I have been using this over-the-ear headphone for quite some time now, so I have observed certain good things and certain bad things about this product, which is exactly that I'm gonna share with you in this video. And before that, let's just go ahead to the unboxing table and showcase you what you really get inside the box. So let's get started guys. Okay guys, so this is the box in which the boAt BassHeads 900 comes in, and from the name itself it's very obvious that they are very much concentrating on the bass, and this is what we actually expect from the company boAt and their lineup of products. Anyways, once again as you can see they have once again concentrated on bass, but the claim of which we'll be checking in the later part of the video. Anyways, on the side as you can see there's nothing. Over the front there are certain key specifications. On the back once again there are certain key specifications stated, and lastly what's surprising to me is the price stated in the box. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not, but as you can see the price stated here is 2490, which is absolutely crazy guys. Don't worry, I'll provide the best buy link in the description, and it's available in Amazon around I believe 700 to 800 rupees. So as I mentioned, I'll drop the best buy link in the description. Anyways, so another thing that's really surprising to me is the size of the box. It's so compact for a over-the-ear headphone box. I don't know how they have managed to fit that in. Anyways, let's open up the box and see how they have done that. So let's do the magic trick. Okay, it did not work. This time it's gonna work. Yep, as you can see it came. So anyways guys, so inside the box you just get this headphone and a warranty card. That's it. You don't get anything else inside the box, not even a pouch or anything like that, but it's okay for the price that you're paying guys. It's okay. So let's go ahead now and talk about what's good and what's bad about this product. So there were a lot of things inside the box, right? Anyways guys, jokes apart, let's talk about the good things about this product. Okay guys, so I'm someone who uses in-ear headphones on regular basis rather than over-ear headphones. So for me the initial concern was the weight of this, because these are ginormous and those tiny headphones almost feels invisible. But I'm happy to inform you guys that these speakers are actually lightweight and quite comfortable to wear for prolonged period. Have been watching Money Heist and other series on Netflix, and it didn't really feel uncomfortable, and I'm someone who binge watches shows, so yeah, so you can trust me on that. And also guys, it's very comfortable. The pads are really well cushioned, and over the top also you get a cushioning, and you can extend the headphones, over the ear headphones, on the basis of your preference. So overall guys, it's really comfortable to wear and I'm really happy with the way it feels. And also guys, the passive isolation is okay. I would say it's not like super good like an in-ear headphone which literally blocks everything around you, but this blocks or reduces the ambient noise around you. It won't stop like a honking car sound or a dog barking or rain for that matter. But overall guys, I'm really happy, as I mentioned, with the way it has been performing and also the comfort it provides me while wearing it. Anyways guys, talking about the other thing that I really like about this product is they have provided a 3.5mm jack which will last for a long time. Generally we see that the wires break from here like the wire breaks from here because we use it on regular basis. But this won't be the case because there is a spring, as you can see over here, which will not let it bend completely, so that's a good thing. And the wire length too guys is really long, so if you are using this over-the-ear headphone on your PC, like most of the time you have to attach it on the back of the PC, so it will like definitely be comfortable for you to wear, because otherwise normal headphones, what happens, like you have to sit in front of this computer so that you can connect the wire properly. But for this case, I don't think that will be a problem because the wire is actually really long. Now coming to the audio quality, which is something that is really important when you are taking a purchase decision of a speaker, of course, or a headphone, whatever it might be. Okay guys, so to be very honest, it was kind of difficult for me to assess the audio quality of this boAt BassHeads 900 because, as I mentioned, I'm someone who is used to in-ear headphones. So I had to listen to a lot of music and compare the audio quality of in-ear headphones and these headphones to understand what are the fundamental differences between an over-ear headphone and in-ear headphones. And after listening or like watching different shows and listening to music, I'm happy to inform that guys, these speakers or these headphones actually sound really well, way above my expectations. Honestly, I used to think that, you know, over-ear headphones wouldn't really sound that good because I've heard some over-ear headphones in the past and I wasn't really satisfied with them. But I'm really happy with the way it sounds, especially the instrumental distinctions, vocals, and of course this is a boAt speaker, so it has that punch to it. Now honestly, the punch isn't as good as in-ear headphones because there is a lot of isolation and your ears literally sealed, so of course the bass or the punch would be much better in case of an in-ear headphone. But considering this guys being an over-the-ear headphone, the punch is actually really good and the drivers are good, so sometimes like the headphone even vibrates a bit when there's a lot of punch in the music, so that's something I of course enjoy. And honestly guys, the vocals were too really good, so overall I'm really happy with it, with the way it sounds. But one thing to note is guys that the audio quality from a headphone also depends on the device that you're using, the equalizer that you're using. For my case, I used it on Redmi Note 7 Pro and I also used an equalizer app, which by the way I really like. I'll drop links in the description for that. It's available for Android. I'm not sure about the iOS. And in case of my computer or laptop, I have DTS on my laptop, so I turned it on and overall guys, it sounded really well. So that's something I wanted to add on in the video so that you guys understand that the audio quality actually also differentiates on the basis of the DAC, the visualizer that you're using, or the phone or the laptop that you're using it in. But overall it has a pretty balanced audio quality. Coming to the cons guys, the first thing that I did not really like about this headphones was the build quality. Like, don't get me wrong, it's like not that bad, but I do believe that the plastics used in this headphone could have been better. It feels a bit cheap guys, so that's something boAt should have considered. If it falls from your hand once or twice and if your luck is bad, the plastic might break, but the paddings are really good guys. That's something that is there. So if you are willing to purchase the headphones guys, this is something that you should take into consideration. Another thing, it's like kind of nitpicking, like the wire quality is good and also they have provided a 3.5mm headphone jack that will last for a long time. But I do feel guys that they could have provided us with a braided cable so that we don't have to deal with the tangled mess. And lastly guys, although they have provided us with a inline microphone and also guys a button to accept and reject calls, I do believe they could have also provided us with a volume rocker, like it's kind of a standard in this time now. So yeah, that's something you should consider before taking a purchase decision. And should I recommend this product or will I recommend this product? Now if you're someone who is looking just for a headphone and you don't care whether it's over-ear headphone or in-ear headphone, you shouldn't go for this headphone. But if you're someone who specifically wants a over-the-ear headphone and wants good audio quality, this is something you can look as an option. So that's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video and found this video to be helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Owen from the Tech Info signing off, guys. Have a nice day. Peace.